It's like 7:30 in the morning, and I just got this gene in me called the hustler gene, but it just says wake the fuck up and get your shit done. I was about to take off my do-rag, but I want y'all to, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all to see. Woo! Wave chain, little bitch. What the fuck? I am handsome as fuck. Oh my God. In fact, let me give you a quick little, you know what I'm saying, fit. I got my hair out today. And these are some floral, well, not floral, I don't know, patchwork Vans with some roses embroidered on them. I don't know, just was like, yeah, let me show them the fit, whatever. So before I go to my mom's house, I wanted to try on some clothes, you know, just shop a little bit. So I got this Polo Ralph Lauren racing joint right here. I got this Sportsman sweater right here that I'm gonna try on. It's not in my size, but we throwing it up there. And then this damn belt. This belt is hard as fuck. Oh, I'm definitely. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's all good. I'm definitely gonna get this. 125. That's not bad. Just now, somebody fucking walked in on me. Make sure this shit's locked. Make sure it's locked. I could have been naked. I could have been naked. I could have been naked. See that fucking big ass tag right there. But this is how it looks on. Let me step back. Nice, comfortable. I fucks with it. And it's that vintage Ralph Lauren feel, you know what I'm saying? That ski joint, you know. This is the Sportsman sweater. It's one size too big for me, but I do like the way it looks. See, like that right there, that's like, it's an indication that this is too big. But it's like, do you pass up on something because it's one size too big? Or do you just say, fuck it? Because you might not ever find this design at this price. I am on my way up out of here. I ended up copping the sweater that I wanted. A little bit too big, but the discount that I got on it was like damn near about like $400. So I can't complain. I'll show y'all when I get home. Do a little review or something. Now we are leaving GNC and we are going to H&M. I need to get me a white button up or something. It makes no sense to spend $100 on a fucking button up from Nordstrom's or Bloomingdale's. 30, 40 bucks and we straight. As I was saying, spending $100+ on a plain button up from Nordstrom's or Bloomingdale's or Neiman's, that's out. We going to H&M and we busting down for the $40 shirt. And that's what I just did, god damn it. And now we are on the way to edit this video, and then I might go out tonight. I don't know. But this right here is gonna be like a you know what I'm saying, what'd you buy today / my online purchase, because I'm gonna get some Vans that I've been looking at, and I'm gonna review those, so stay tuned. Just because I feel extra fly right now. Hi guys. No, what the fuck? All right, I'm out. All right, now I got the shoe review for y'all. But before we get into the shoe review, I wanted to show you what I ended up copping that day. Ended up copping this belt, Polo Ralph Lauren. You know what I'm saying? It was, I got it at retail. So this is what I paid at Macy's. Had to cop it because I was like, if I come back 2 weeks from now, it's probably not gonna be there. And then I ended up copping this sweater. I usually wear like sweaters like a large or XL. But this joint was a 2X. But I had to cop it because if you look at the tag, this was the retail price. And I got it for like $130. So I couldn't pass up that deal. If y'all want me to start putting the clothes on, I'll do that. But for this video, I'm just showing you what I copped that day. And I'm saying I'm proud of this right here. That's fly. I like it. I fuck with it. What up, though? So this is gonna be a review of some Vans that I just recently picked up. I fuck with them a lot, and I decided I should show y'all. So I opened up the box already, took off the labels because I didn't want to open up this box and find out I got some Uggs in here or something like that. I got to make sure I got my size 10, and I got to make sure I got a left and a right and all that. So these are the Vans. Let me give you a little 360 of the box. Boom. Bold, NI, Denim, Marshmallow, blah, 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 blah. You see all that stuff. All right, cool. Get it, got it, good. We're gonna open this up. And we got the regular Vans paper. And then you peel that joint back. Oh yeah, you see the extra laces. And then let's take both of these out, in fact. We are gonna have that one sitting up there like that. And we're gonna have this one sitting like this. And this right here is gonna be the thumbnail, I guess. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. So we're gonna do it like that right there. And as you can see from this shoe, we got extra laces with the gold ends. We got that flannel or tartan, I think it's called, tongue. We got pony hair right here, that leopard print, denim, leather on the eye stay, and then we got metal right here on the eye stay. Got that, what is it, vulcanized sole. Right here, you got some Houndstooth with 66 on it. Coming around, we got canvas, mo leather, and then on the bottom, you got some checker print. Yes, sir. And then, quick little same thing on this one. Ultra Cush insides. And I'm gonna give you guys a little on feet of these. I think these are dope. Well worth the money, and let's get it on feet. So let's get this on feet done. So there we go. We got the Vans. Boom, boom, boom. Let's give you a little bit of that. We're gonna give you a little bit of that right there. And we're gonna turn to the side one time. And we're gonna turn to the back one time. And then we're gonna give you a little bit of the bottoms of them joints. You feel? And I hope you appreciate the fact that I took time and swapped out the laces on these bitches. You know what I'm saying? Back to the front. Boom. Boom. Let's do a little turn on to the side. Let's give it a little turn on to this side. Make sure these laces are straight. Boom. Boom. Boom.